Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So we're going to do a flip through of my July Erin Condren LifePlanner spreads. So I hope you enjoy. So this is just the monthly view. I think I talked about this, but I'm not sure, so let me just go over it really quickly. I had my last week of review for BEC, took my exam on the 9th of July, and then I had my graduation party on the 13th, and then I had a slew of doctor's appointments, and it actually ended up being more than what's on here, just because I had like a cavity that needed to get filled, and then like I had these sealants put on when I was younger to prevent cavities, so one of those needed to be replaced, and then I need to go get blood work done, and then all those fun things, and then I had like a nail appointment in between. So definitely was good for the overview, but as for updating it throughout the month, I kind of lacked in that area. I just stuck to putting any updated appointments or whatnot in the weekly spreads. So let's just get to it. Here is the first week in July, and it was a 4th of July themed spread. I am proud of this spread, but also like it is kind of boring, if you will. This was the first time I ever used my Cricut and cutting stickers, so it was a lot of like learning involved with it and just testing things out. How is this gonna cut with the Cricut, you know, all those types of fun experiments, let's say. So it's very generic in my point of view, not like I'm used to doing, but at the same time I don't think it was completely awful for my first go around at making my own stickers. So, you know, it is what it is, but it was a lot of fun actually looking at a spread and being like, I made that, yay for me. So that was also just, it was fun seeing that. I had my last mock exam. I filled it out a lot with a bunch of different studying. This was also one of the first weeks I did Instagram and YouTube, just checking down things that I wanted to post or wanted to get to, and I didn't even get to them, so joke's on me. Next, I did kind of a mixed spread. So I got a mini add-on sheet from Planner Kate of the flamingo design. So most of the text boxes you see, the washi down here, and what else? I think that's about it. Yeah, was from Planner Kate. The flamingo, these boxes, and this header are all from my Cricut machine. This flamingo washi, if you can see, was just like a roll of washi that I had laying around. And then I had a few stickers from like the Happy Planner, not that many though, and like one from the Agenda 52, which is the Hobby Lobby brand. So just like the paw prints and then the nail polish up there. So overall, it was a good mix of using my Cricut machine with Planner Kate, and I think this one turned out really nice. And the funniest thing is, I started my BEC exam on Tuesday, the 9th, and then I found the sticker on Cricut, like the design, and then I flattened it whatnot to make it a box sticker. And it says, I don't give a flock, which is completely true after my last CPA exam, so that was fun to look at after my exam. And then I was just catching up on videos I didn't do the week before. I did a ton of cleaning on Wednesday and Thursday and Friday, because my grad party was Saturday. So overall, I really enjoyed this spread. I even have another flamingo over there. I just thought it was so cute. Next, the 15th to the 21st, I did a pool theme, and this was just really kicking off my new relaxation life, where I'm done studying for the CPA. I find out my scores next week, actually, so I've just been kind of chilling out, and what better way to chill out than to chill out in the pool. So I just did a nice pool theme. Again, I tried to do this whole spread using my Cricut. It did not work by any means. I got so frustrated, I quit. So the only thing that actually came out of this was this sticker from my Cricut machine, and that's because the whole thing got off calibrated, and so I had to figure out how to recalibrate the Cricut whole thing. I tried like contacting customer service, it took forever, and then I ended up figuring it out myself, so it is what it is, you know, done and over with. But I really try to keep track of YouTube and Instagram, what to buy. I had to-dos, and it was basically just like a bunch of errands from now on. It's my life is filled with errands, and it's okay because it's nice getting out of the house. I didn't leave the house a lot during the 6 months of studying, so it's just really nice to drive around. I don't mind when people are asking me to go to the store because I know I'm the only one not working right now, so it's just a nice change of pace, I guess. So yeah, this was the pool theme. I really enjoyed it. I definitely did use it to its fullest potential. Yeah, it was just fun. This week, alright, so I loved how I did the bottom. Let me move my coffee. Alright, I love this. Absolutely love this. I loved how the theme started off, but then there's a few problems, and there's going to be a lot of glare because of the gold foil. But I've been seeing like a lot of people using whiteout in their spread, so I was like, let me give it a try, right? And there's no harm in trying. I definitely like to try new things to figure out if it's going to work for me. Whiteout does not work for me. I get very frustrated when I put a sticker down, I need to move it, and the whiteout comes up with it. And I also just like think it looks sloppy when I do it. I see these other people and I'm like, how does yours look good? Because mine does not look like that. But I know now that I am not a whiteout person. And that's the only way to learn is to try. So I tried it. I did not like it. And I had a lot going on this week too. I should mention it's the 22nd to the 28th, so it's like the last week. But from Wednesday and Thursday, I start cleaning my room, decluttering, trying to get rid of things, and taking down everything in preparation for Saturday, which is when I painted my room. I don't know if you just see this down arrow, because it took all day to paint my room. So that's basically all I did. I got the paint Friday, I cleared out the rest of my room. Saturday morning, I pushed all the furniture together, took out any last bits that needed to go, and we just painted all day. Sunday, we took like the bottom molding tape off and put my furniture in different layout. That's also a thing. If you want to see the layout of my new and improved room, let me know in the comments down below. I am absolutely loving it. There are still a few things that I need to buy and figure out to put on the walls, but overall I am in love with my new room. It is so relaxing, it's so welcoming, and I think it's just going to be great for this new chapter in my life of entering like a full adult responsibility life. So let's just continue. So since I was really busy these few days, I didn't really utilize it, on top of the fact that I didn't like the way the whiteout looked. So I went in with the best of intentions with using all these florals, and it just did not pan out. So that's that. Now we're going to do a sneak peek into this week, which is the first week of August and the second half. No, the first half of the week is the end of July. The second half is the first week of August. That doesn't sound right, but we're going to go with it. So, hey, this stupid washi keeps coming up too. I have to get a sticker or something to tape it down. But we're doing an under the water theme. I am currently packing and getting ready for our family vacation. So I really loved this stupid sticker. I'm gonna have to, after this video, get like a seashell or something to tape this down. I really love this under the water theme. I went with this purple, teal, blue, and it's been working out really nicely. We're on Tuesday, so I just have to keep doing a bunch of errands. This is my running packing list. I just packed. For the most part, I stuck to this. For the most part, I did not. It was half and half, you know. I feel like when packing, I'm one of those people who's like, what if I don't bring it and I need it? And so I just like throw it in the suitcase. But that's okay. We're living and we're learning. So last night, right? Yeah. I put up desk setup, which I show you the new layout of my desk with all the planners, notebooks, and everything I'm using. And then this morning I had the pens, highlighters, and whatnot post. I'm just showing you what I use to study, what's currently on my desk that I use in regular life, with studying, with my new Bible study, with planning, with my gratitude petite journals and all that. This is bothering me, but that's okay. I'm gonna keep going. So, that's weird. Sorry, this like news alert came up and the article was like crazy. Sorry. So yeah, so this is the last week and that's it. So I also put this new cover on that I just got. The best time for a new beginning is now. And this is definitely going to be my mantra right now because I feel with my new room, it is a new beginning. And yeah, so thanks for sticking around. If you want to see my spreads before the pen, after the pen, check out my Instagram at Study Plan Sleep. And as always, if you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe if you want to hear more of my lovely voice. So, bye guys, have a great day.